issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hempstead County in southwestern Arkansas, Nevada County in southwestern Arkansas, until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Okolona to 6 miles northwest of Prescott to Blevins to 6 miles southeast of Nashville, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hope, Prescott, Emmett, Blevins, Perrytown, Washington, Bluff City, White Oak Lake State Park, McCaskill, Ozanne, Cale, Oak Haven, Sutton, Boughton, Mount Moriah, Morris, Leyburg, and Greeter. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: in Arkansas, Hempstead, and Nevada. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Little River County in southwestern Arkansas, Hempstead County in southwestern Arkansas, Central County in southwestern. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Little River County in southwestern Arkansas, Hempstead County in southwestern Arkansas, Sevier County in southwestern Arkansas, Howard County in southwestern Arkansas, until 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Marcusburg, or 8 miles east of Horatio, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hope, Nashville, Mineral Springs, Berks, Horatio, Larkisburg, Wilton, Blevins, Tollet, Fulton, Winter, Washington, Van Loman, Corinth, Center Point, Saratoga, Oak Grove, McCaskill, Ozanne, and McNabb. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: in Arkansas, Hempstead, Howard, Little River, and Sevier.